Poly Flo system is a double containment piping system. It's available in polypropylene and also our ChemPro-Line polyethylene material. This is a very unique system. Aside from the fact that it's made in polypropylene and polyethylene, it's a unitary system. That is, we extrude the pipe where the carrier pipe and the containment pipe is joined by 8 centralizers or 8 spokes. And we do that in both materials. It's available in 1 by 1.5 inch, 2 inch by 3 inch, and 4 inch by 6 inch. I'm going to talk more about the features and benefits, but I want to show you the fusion and how easy that's performed. This is our mini plast tool. I load it in the right side. I open the clamp. You load in the left side. Simply close the clamp and tighten it down. It's important to get these ends planed off properly. So I'm going to open up the jaws, drop in the electric planer, close the gate, and bring power up to the planer. Open up the jaws again, remove it, blow out the extra material. This is our Teflon coated hot plate. It's heated up to about 430 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to bring up this material and apply pounds of force to about 60 pounds pressure. Each size has its own amount of pressure to be applied. So 1.5 inch would be less pressure, 3 inch would be more, of course 6 inch would be more than that. We're looking for a bead to develop. It happens very quickly. At that point, we back it off to what we call the heat soak time. It's a simple 80-second cycle at that point. This is heat soaking the material now. While this is heat soaking, you can be doing other functions during the job process. Again, this is the ChemPro-Line material. We talk about this in another video. This is fantastic for applications like sodium hypochlorite, sodium hydroxide, and many other chemicals. This polypropylene material is very good for applications such as, could be anything from wastewater to hydrochloric acid. And we have a chemical chart that supports everything we're doing regarding chemical compatibility. While this is heat soaking, we're about more than halfway through the heat soak now. This material is actually at the very important step. We're almost really baking the product. We're heat soaking into the material, allowing that material to be fused together. And at that point, the joint is going to be curing. It's going to stay in this tool for about 6 minutes for total cure time. You can take it out about halfway through. So after about 3 minutes, you could take it out so long as you don't disturb it. And we're right about there now. Pop that out, bring it up to that 60 pounds again. This gauge on the right-hand side is reading that. And we're right there now. The pipe comes in 16 feet 4 inch lengths or 5 meters. The fittings are all injection molded. T's, 45s. We also fabricate fittings as well. These 8 centralizers right here unitize the system. It locks the carrier pipe inside the containment pipe. By that I mean we don't have any differential expansion and contraction. If you take the carrier pipe system that we fabricate, this is a loose system, so this carrier pipe is going to move independent from the containment pipe. We don't have that with this particular system, so it's an automatically anchored system. This material you could actually direct bury in an open trench and put the same aggregate that you took out of the trench and put that back on the pipe. By that I mean you don't need clean fill. This material, the polypropylene, you would need clean fill. This system is good for pressure and for drainage. It's rated for 150 PSI carrier and 90 PSI containment. That's both the polyethylene ChemPro-Line system as well as the polypropylene system as well. It handles, obviously, anything you need when it comes up to that rating. So this is our polypropylene and polyethylene Poly Flo system. This should be a material that you're going to really want to consider for your double containment system. Otherwise, we fabricate systems that go larger, and then we incorporate anchor devices to handle that. Please get in touch with Asahi America, and we'll demonstrate this product for you individually. Thank you.